Today, we are not touching the face, unless you just want to, which of course I did. But because the face does not usually tell your age first, the neck does. You can have beautiful makeup, smooth cheeks, glowing skin, and one loose area right here will give your age away immediately. The neck has thinner skin than the face. It has fewer oil glands and almost no support structure, which means it dries faster, it wrinkles faster, and it starts to loosen earlier. This is why many women notice what people call turkey neck lines, or a soft jawline. So today's treatment is designed to temporarily firm the skin, improve elasticity appearance, smooth horizontal neck lines, and tighten the look of the jawline. This is not a harsh treatment. It works by creating a natural tightening film on the skin and feeding the skin moisture at the same time. Start with clean skin, no oils, no lotion. Tilt your chin slightly upward. Always apply upward from collarbone to jawline. Never rub downward. That trains the skin to sag. You are literally teaching the skin a direction. Leave this on about 15 minutes. You'll feel pulling. That is normal. Do this 3 times a week for 2 weeks, then once weekly for maintenance. The best time to use it is in the evening before bed. You might want to know if you can use it on your face. Yes, but it works best on the neck and jawline because that skin needs tightening support the most. And the reason this works is very simple. You'll only need 3 ingredients. The 3 ingredients are 1 egg white, 1 teaspoon of plain yogurt, a half teaspoon of cornstarch. Egg white creates a natural tightening effect on the skin surface. Yogurt contains gentle lactic acid, which smooths and softens the appearance of lines. Cornstarch helps firm and refine texture and gives that lifted look. Separate the egg white into a bowl. If a little of the yolk falls in, no problem. You'll whisk until slightly foamy, or you can just go ahead and add in your yogurt and sprinkle in the cornstarch and mix it. It's going to whip up slightly foamy anyway. You want a smooth, light cream, not too watery. You can use your fingers or a brush like I did, and apply from the base of the neck upward to the jawline. Then apply 1 extra layer directly under the chin. Try not to talk while it dries. As it dries, you'll feel tightening and lifting. That is the film forming on the skin. Do not peel. You're going to soften first with warm water. Gently rinse and pat dry. Then immediately apply moisturizer or a facial oil. After rinsing, you should notice your neck feels firmer, lines look softer, jawline looks more defined. Over the next week, your makeup and skin will sit better on the neck. Your face is important, but your neck is what finishes the look.
You walk back in sunshine on your skin like you never even left my mind. I said, baby, what's been going on? You said life and but I'm holding on. Then you looked at me, smiled real wide, still looking good, sis. And I said, girl, I tried, but looking good ain't good enough. I'm trying to give them better, trying to glow in the rough. And since you're back in town, let's shut it all down. It's Friday, baby, let's come back proud.